So hello guys, today we'll see that how to send a message to our Discord servers using Webhook with attached file. So for that we will use GitHub Webhooks using JavaScript, and here are the sample codes you can see here, and the explanation is also here, and this is a CodePen URL where you will find how to do this. A sample app that is shown here. This is our Discord channel. Let's close it, and this is image hosting. For example, if we choose an image and upload this, click on upload, you will see here a new image has been uploaded, and you can see the URL also. This is the Discord URL and the image URL, and this is the permanent URL cached on Cloudinary server of Practical Dev or dev.to. Permanent URL, because Discord URL will expire after some time, but this URL will not expire. So this is of dev.to, and check out this. So now let me explain you the code. For the sample code you can check out here, and this is just a short video for knowing you all about this Discord server Webhook. And see, we have a send message to Discord server in HTML and a type file with ID file input and script.js. Okay, so on document loaded, this is file input. We are assigning it using ID, and we are adding an event listener. Click on send button. On click of send, we are getting the file input 0th indexed. If you have just like select multiple files, then you can use map function to map over all the files, and this if not file console file not selected. And we are creating a form data, appending the file and content, and trying to get the Webhook URL. Here we will put our Webhook URL and fetch. Using fetch, we are creating a post request and using and passing the things in our form data. The file and content you cannot change this. Okay, so if response dot okay, and we are taking a response here. If it's okay, successfully sent, and response data will be a JSON, and you can get the JSON, and you can also console log the JSON response data for seeing what we are getting in response. And here was the code, all you need to know, and nothing to explain more here. And let's go to our code, go to console. Let me show you what is the response of the Webhook. One more thing, that how to get the Webhook URL. For that, go to your settings, server settings, and go to integrations, and it's taking time, bro. This is the bonus tip for you for getting permanent image URL from a temporary image URL. Okay, so this is also a tutorial for getting free unlimited image hosting. So let's refresh it. I think internet gone. So from there you have to create a new Webhook, and your Webhook will be created from there. So thanks for watching this video. Click on integration and click on webhooks and new webhook. You will get the copy webhook URL. You can rename it, and the Spidey boat is my webhook I used, so it's showing a Spidey boat here. And you can change the webhook URL, and I got this from Discord hook, this website. I seen how the API works using inspection panel, console network, and add webhook here and send. Add webhook. Adding webhook, you can also upload file whatever you want to send, and let's send this photo and add message. I think all set. Click on send and we will receive the thing here. In general, Spidey boat, we received the message. So that was the thing I wanted to show you about Discord hook, from where I copied things. Means I have not copied that exactly, but I know about the webhook things and its uses. Thanks for watching.